Good morning, friends. Today we are going to discuss about the changes around us, class 6 science chapter. And it is very interesting chapter, and as you also you know that, friends, you know that every day in our everyday life in what we are coming across, हम देख रहे हैं कुछ ना कुछ चेंज होता जाता रहा है. Means some changes are taking place every day. What changes? Growing of plants, growing of a baby, and then what falling of fruits from the plant, ripening of fruits, and falling of leaves from the, and rotting of something, cooking of food, and what bursting of crackers, burning of mastic, and these are the many changes are there. Okay, friends, and these changes are of different types, broadly two different types. Mean some changes are permanent changes and some changes are temporary changes. Means some changes which are permanent changes, they cannot be returned back to its original stage. Means I mean what? Suppose burning of mastic, हम जो mastic burn कर रहे हैं, what happens? ये इस वो mastic again हमको नहीं मिलेगा. That is, it is a permanent change. Means it is converted into ash and gases and heat, light, etc. So that change is called permanent change because that is a irreversible changes. मतलब that change, वो change फिर origin को नहीं आ सकता है. मतलब दो चीज़ हमसे ओरिजिन से यूज किया था वो चीज़ फिर हमको नहीं मिलेगा. दैट इज कॉल्ड इरिवर्सिबल चेंजेस. बट लेट अस सी अनदर एग्जांपल. व्हेन वी आर स्ट्रेचिंग ए रबर, व्हेन वी आर स्ट्रेचिंग ए स्प्रिंग, व्हेन वी आर मेल्टिंग wax, you say, when you are making what chapati from the dough, you say what type of changes. Again, this after stretching it can return back to its original shape. After stretching a spring, it returns to its original shape. So when what wax is melting, then it can be remelted. When we are making chapati from the dough, we can make it different shape. Take a piece of synthetic clay and you can make it many shape, then again we get the what, the original clay. So these changes are called reversible changes. Means we are getting the raw clay again from, we are getting the dough from the raw chapati. So we are getting the what, the rubber. So this type of inflating of balloon, you can say, after inflating a balloon, after when it is leaves, air leaves from the balloon, what happens? The balloon returns to the originals. So these changes are broadly divided in two changes, and what called the reversible changes and irreversible changes. Okay, friends. So we got two changes. Some changes are reversible and some changes are irreversible. Okay, friends, some changes are called reversible and some changes are called irreversible. These reversible changes and these irreversible changes otherwise called, these irreversible changes otherwise called as what? Chemical change. Chemical change. This change is called physical change. Okay, this change is called physical change and this is called chemical change. Then what is physical change? Physical change, the changes which take place as the physical properties of the substance. That means changes in physical properties. Changes in physical properties. What are physical properties? The physical properties are, we can say, height, weight, length, breadth, it is. So these are the physical properties of organism. Any changes in the physical property of what property is called physical changes. Example, देखो, we can say stretching of a rubber, stretching of a rubber, inflating a balloon, many more changes are there, friends. So you can say these changes, stretching of a rubber, inflating a balloon, these are called physical changes because these are changes take place in the physical features or physical properties of the substance. Now let us see some more points. What are the chemical changes? Chemical changes. Changes which take place in the chemical properties of the substance. What are chemical properties? The composition of the substance. Suppose we can say the changes, let us write the definition, the changes that take place in the chemical properties of the substance, properties of the substances. What do we mean by chemical changes or chemical property? That means composition changes, composition of the substance changes. Here composition, component changes, composition changes, that's why it is called what? Chemical changes. Example, you can say what? We can say bursting of cracker, bursting of crackers. We can say cooking of food, cooking of food. We can say burning of paper. Every type of burning is a type, is what type of chemical changes? Is it right? Digestion of food, cooking of food, burning of paper, burning anything burning. These changes are taking place in the chemical properties, that means the composition of substance. That's why these are called chemical changes. So friends, हम क्लियर हो गया अभी क्या है जो फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी जो चेंज होता है, जो चेंज में फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी चेंज होता है, जैसे हाइट, लेट, वेट, ब्रेथ, ऐसे चेंज होता है तो उसको हम बोलते हैं, क्या बोलते हैं? द फिजिकल चेंजेस बोलते हैं. फिजिकल चेंजेस आर रिवर्सिबल चेंजेस. विल राइट लेटर कंपेयर द फिजिकल एंड केमिकल चेंजेस एंड द चेंजेस विच टेक प्लेस. जो चेंजेस केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी में हो रहा है, मीन्स इसका कंपोजिशन चेंज हो रहा है, तो उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? केमिकल चेंजेस बोलेंगे. इज इट राइट? लेट अस राइट द डिफरेंस बिटवीन व्हाट आर द डिफरेंस बिटवीन फिजिकल चेंज एंड केमिकल चेंज और रिवर्सिबल चेंज एंड इरिवर्सिबल चेंजेस. Reversible changes, irreversible changes. Number one, reversible change, irreversible. Number one, it returns back to original, returns back to its original form. So original form, so it is called reversible. It can't return back, it can't be return back. Number one. So number two property is what? It is a reversible changes. It is a temporary change, a temporary change, temporary change, and this is called a permanent change. Permanent change. Okay friends, this is called permanent change. This is called physical change. This is called chemical change. No new substances are produced. No new substances are produced. New substances are produced. So see, another property you can say, heat, light, gas may evolve. Heat, light, gas are not produced. Heat, light, gases may be produced. So these are the different points we have written. So what, just let us see. Again speaking, it is returned back to its original form. It cannot be returned back to its original. It is a temporary change, it is a permanent change, it is called physical change, it is otherwise called chemical change. No new substances are produced, new substances are produced. Heat, light, gas may evolve, not evolve, may not evolve, in this case may evolve. So these are the what difference between physical and chemical change, otherwise you can say reversible change or irreversible changes. Is it right? This is all about this. So देखो, let us see some more in the later classes. Okay, fine.